Okay, so our problem of the day, we have 2 apples cost 5 cents. How much will 8 apples cost? Well, let's go back. We got 2 apples at 5 cents, and we want to know about 8 apples. So let's go ahead and draw our 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we know that each 2 of them cost 5 cents, so we can circle them in pairs or groups of 2. Okay? We know each group of 2 apples equals 5 cents. So we can go ahead and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So we know that 8 apples equals 20 cents.